Hello, Part 1 champions, how are you? This is another episode of Tips and Tricks for MRCOG Part 1, and this is Dr. Nada from EMRCOG. Today, I'm going to tell you how to use the recalls in a good way for your preparation. I'm going to show you one of the examples of a cracked recall. Like this one, for example, it's a statistics recall question telling you so and so and so. For me, it does not mean anything, it's nonsense and I cannot even understand the question. So I don't want you to depend on this and waste your time. However, let's have a look over a good recall question, a very good one, a complete version of the question. So you can find complete questions, non cracked, in our groups as you can see from the hashtags and from our Telegram group or WhatsApp group. Of course, the Telegram is better because it's more organized. So you can have a complete version of the question and don't waste your time and effort over incomplete questions. It's totally going to exhaust your mind and waste your time. Another reliable resource is our website, of course. You can use the question bank if you need. Every question is having answer and explanation, and also it gives you a real exam experience. Until inshallah, I meet you with a congratulations for passing MRCOG Part 1 exam. And see you